Ditch the bulky wallet and embrace the ease of contactless payments. Let's get your Halifax card added to Apple Pay right now. First, locate and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. This usually has a gray gear icon. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you see Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it to open the wallet settings. On the Wallet and Apple Pay screen, you'll find an option labeled Add Card. Tap on it to start the card adding process. Now, you can either manually enter your card details or let Apple Pay do the work for you. Position your Halifax card within the frame displayed on your screen. Apple Pay will automatically scan and fill in the card number and expiration date. If the scan doesn't work, no worries. Just tap Enter Card Details manually and carefully type in your card number, expiration date, and security code, which is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. You'll also need to enter your card's security code for verification purposes. Next, review the terms and conditions. Once you've read them, tap Agree in the bottom right corner to proceed. Halifax will then verify your card, usually through a text message or email containing a verification code. Enter the code when prompted. And that's it. Your Halifax card is now successfully added to Apple Pay and ready for use on your iPhone. If you have an Apple Watch, your Halifax card should automatically sync to your watch's wallet as well. Enjoy the convenience of contactless payments wherever you go.